These are the components of the stand. These are the roof supports. This is the base of the steps. 3 holes are provided for screws. Hooks are provided for roof support. This is the roof of the stand. These are the steps of the kolu stand. These are the supports for the base of the stand. Place the support at the bottom of the base of the steps. Screw on the base into the support. Use a screwdriver to tighten it. It should look like this. Place the second side of the base on the other side of the support. Screw on the base to the support. It should look like this. Place the support at the front of the base and screw it on using a screwdriver. Fix the support to the other side of the base. It should look like this. Place the support on top of the base and screw it on both sides. It should look like this after all the supports are fixed. Place the roof supports onto the hooks on the sides of the base. Place both the roof supports on the hooks provided in the sides of the base. Place the steps onto the base of the steps. Ensure it is placed properly as shown. Check if all the steps are placed properly. Place the roof onto the hooks provided in the roof supports. This is the finished product after installation.